Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Pancake Papa, where we're all about families having fun together. And this morning, we have a special one for you because we're making one of the coolest characters from what I consider the greatest Disney movie of all time, and that's Lion King. There are so many awesome characters like Simba, Mufasa, Rafiki, and I figure we're gonna make quite a few of those as time goes on. That's not who we're starting with. Today, we're going with the big fella, Pumbaa. Pumbaa's awesome, running around with his friend Timon. And today, we're gonna make a good old Pumbaa pancake. But it just wouldn't be right if we didn't start it out with a little bit of the theme song. So let's hit it. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy, Hakuna Matata, and it's time for pancakes. Let's do this. Here we go. Pan's hot, and we're ready to get things rolling. So what I'm gonna do is pick up my bottle, start to do some of Pumbaa's outlines, fill in a few of the darker spots, and then I'll check in with you in a few. It's time for Pumbaa! And it's time for an update. Our outline's down, and I think Pumbaa's looking awesome. We already have some of the parts filled in, but at this point, what we have to do is swap lids to the one with the wider tip, go around, fill in the rest of it. But of course, we're saving the eyes for last. Next steps. And we're at that time. Pumbaa's just about all filled in, and all we have left are the eyes. And as always, we let it drop from the top. Here we go, going up high to over the head. Left eye first. Oh, we got it right on. There we go. Okay, left eye's filled in. Over to eye number 2. Got that one as well. And all we have left, gotta take our little spatula, go around the sides, start to loosen them up a bit, and get him ready for the flip. And here we go. Can you do the countdown with me? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my goodness, look at that! Pumbaa looks awesome. Some of him a little darker than maybe we wanted, but I think he looks great. He's got this crazy hair. He's got these big old horns, and I think Micah is gonna love him. So what I'm gonna do is let him cook on the bottom for just another few seconds, put him on a plate, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Whoop, whoop! Oh, pop, pop, pop. Come on, buddy. Come here. Oh, Micah, guess what? We have a pancake. It's a rhino. It's not a rhino. His name is PUMBAA, and he's a warthog. And he goes like this. And he says, Hakuna Matata. Can you say that? No. Yo, I can help you. Okay. Hakuna Matata. Just like that. Everybody, we hope you love our little PUMBAA pancake just as much as Micah does. And you know what? We only need a few things. We need you to find us on Instagram at the Pancake Papa. We need you to hit that thumbs up like button that's down there. And also, the last thing, we need you to subscribe down below. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.